How to draw Oogie Boogie from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for today's drawing, we're going to be learning how to draw Oogie Boogie. Let's begin by drawing a simple curved line, which will be the top portion of the mouth in the top center of the page. Also, one other thing, if you are new to the channel, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right place, and I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Next, on the inside of the mouth that we just drew, let's go ahead and fill it in completely black. Fantastic! Now attached to the mouth that we just drew, we're now going to go ahead and draw the outline of the top portion of Oogie Boogie's head. We're going to make a curved line here on the left hand side and another on the right. Then we will connect the two sides by drawing the top portion of Oogie Boogie's head. Fantastic! Now just like how I previously mentioned, we'll draw that top portion that will connect both sides. Well done! Now on the inside of the top portion of the head, the next step will be to draw the eyes. For each of the eyes, we're going to draw two simple curved lines, then we'll draw two circles that are attached to them and fill them in completely black. Well done, this is a great start. Now let's go ahead and go to where we first began the drawing with the top portion of the mouth and draw small lines to make stitch marks. Great, now let's draw the bottom portion of the face. Let's go ahead and draw a line that will go on the outside of the black portion of the mouth. This will connect over to the right hand side. Then, connected to the black portion of the mouth, we're going to draw small additional stitch marks. Beautiful! Now we have the head drawn of Oogie Boogie. For the next step, we're going to begin to draw the body. Let's go ahead and begin on the right hand side. We're going to first begin by drawing the right arm and hand. Keep in mind, this will be floating initially, and then we'll connect it later on in the video. So now that we have the arm and hand drawn, which are currently floating, we're just going to connect the top portion. We will connect the lower portion to the rest of the body later on in the video. Great! Next, let's draw a curved line that will be going up and down, that will be a little over to the left and right below the head. This will help us make the outline of Oogie Boogie's torso. All done? If so, let's continue. For the next step, we're going to go a little lower and to the right to draw the bottom right portion of his body along with his right foot and leg. Nice! Now let's draw a squiggle line which will connect from the arm right above to the foot that we just drew together. Well done! Next, we're going to draw the left arm and hand, beginning right here, which will attach to the head of Oogie Boogie. Fantastic! This looks great. Let's go ahead and draw the left foot, which will be right in that small opening on the bottom left-hand side. Well done! So as of right now, we have the outline of Oogie Boogie drawn, along with the face. Let's go ahead and add some detail. Let's begin by drawing dice in the top right hand of Oogie Boogie. Then we'll draw stitches. Great, once we're all done drawing those dice, let's go ahead and draw those stitches that I previously mentioned. You can pause or rewind the video if you ever need an extra moment to catch up. And if you are enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. To make the stitches on this line that we just made, we're going to make small lines going from left to right. In total, after this stitch line, I'm going to draw 4 more, so in total we will have 5. The next 2 that I will draw will be on the shoulders, beginning right here. Then, we're going to draw 2 on the lower body, along with 1 right below the stomach. This is how to draw Oogie Boogie from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.